Your Intego Treatment Center is equipped with many integrated instruments. Let me show you how those work and which one is which. The first instrument we have here is the Spray-Vit air-water syringe. You can see it's a lighted air-water syringe, which is automatically activated when you pick it up. On the left, you have water. On the right, you have air. And your middle fin button here provides a consistent mist every time. In the next position, we have an electric motor. When you pick up the electric motor, your touchscreen automatically changes to your motor speed controls. Your presets are here from 40,000 RPM motor speed all the way down to 0.1. You can change these. Let's say I want to have 15,000 as my middle setting. I can manually push the minus button, which is a secondary function of that key, manually bring it down to 10,000 RPMs. Then I can hold the set key until this flashes and push the middle button, which will now change my middle setting to 10,000 RPMs. I can also save that setting with and without water. If I want to turn the water off, I just push on the left blue circle on the foot pedal, which turns the water off on the touch screen. If I want to save that setting, I can hold set again and press the middle setting. Now if I go to 40,000 RPMs, I have water. If I go down to 10,000 RPMs, I have no water. On my foot control, I can also control these settings hands-free to facilitate my work and not have to reach back over to the touchscreen to activate different settings. I can do that by simply sliding my foot to the right on the foot control, and that will circle through the menu of settings. If I slide to the left, that will activate reverse mode and your burr will spin in a counterclockwise rotation. Slide left and that's turned off. Moving on to the next instrument, we have an air turbine here, which really just has water on/off on the foot control. Again, the left blue circle will turn the water on or off. Moving down the line, I have the Sonic scaler. I can move my foot to the right to control this hands-free, or I can simply tap on the settings here. The indicator at the bottom shows the max percent of power available. So in other words, 100 is 100% of the power available. I can change those settings in the same way by holding the set key and saving with or without water. In addition to those settings, I also have an endo mode, which will reduce the intensity for working with irrigants so I don't splash them out of the oral cavity. All of your instruments also have the ability to adjust the water. On your electric motor, you have the gray band at the bottom with the volume meter. All the way to the left will open that water all the way, and of course turning that to the right will turn down the water. This allows you to adjust it real time as you're working. On your air turbine, the same thing. You have a black piece here, which you can turn right and left to adjust the water as well there. And on your scaler, you have the collar with the lines on it. You can turn right or left to adjust the water up or down. And that's how you control the instruments on the Intego Treatment Center.